Hello to everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix the Peugeot 407 heater flap, which it's usually getting broken, and I'll show you step by step, not just skipping straight to cutting the heater box, as everyone is showing. So first of all you need to do is removing the plastic cover from under the steering wheel. As you can see here, I already did so. This was together here, as you can see. To do that, you need to unscrew the two screws with a T20, as you can see here. Remove the screws, split the plastic covers because they are one into each other, and after you split them, from the ignition side just pull a bit. So as you can see, you need to pull it like that and the plastic bit will come out. Just put it aside because you have to remove this part. You see this? You have to remove it in order to access the... Here is the motor. This is some wire protection plastic, and you have to remove this bit, and it will be a real headache until you find out how to remove it, because no one is not showing how they did. They're just showing how to cut the heater box, and that's it. So in order to remove this, I've been looking down here for any screws or plastic clips, but it's none of them. You will have to do it from here. As you can see, this plastic, it's with this piece of metal in two screws, one there and one in the other side. I'll try to... Okay, you can see, you'll need to take those two off. I took some extra keys and the ratchet in order to make my job easier. Okay, and I think I'll have to do it from the underneath. So you'll have to remove this cover here. It's fitted with some plastic clips, as you can see. You'll need to pull those out. After you pull them out, they might get broken, or you might have to replace them, because I'm not sure if they will work to be fitted back. But actually, if you just pull a bit, if you pull it a bit, your hand will fit in, so you can use the ratchet. I've added another extender because the key was too short, and I'll see what I can do with this, and if I can do it. And yes, it is working. So one of them is out. Make sure you put it in a safe place so you will not lose it, as otherwise you're gonna have to spend some time to find an identical one to fit in that space. I just lost my key, sorry. After all, I will still have to remove. Oh, I just wanted, so yeah. Okay. Sorry, I just got the phone. Okay, I did remove it. As you can see, these plastic clips, they're usually one time use only, but sometimes you can use them more than one time, even if they get half broken as mine. I don't mind too much anyway. It's above the pedals, so it's not visible. I just removed second one, and now I'm not sure what to do next because I never did it before. It's my first time as well. So okay, so as you can see, the plastic bit must come out. You must pull it your way. It has some plastic clips, and I don't know what kind of system is this. You will just need to put your finger inside, on the inside, and just move it a bit like this until it easily comes out. Otherwise, you can break it. So don't pull very hard. I think it's same in the lower side. I'm not sure.